We've had such an incredible conversation so far, but now it's time to switch gears and have a little fun. So we are moving to the rapid fire room, sir. So short questions, your instinct answers, whatever comes to your mind first. Ready, sir? So one book every student should read. Quick, sir.
I think many, I still remember, 30 years back I read a book called The Goal. I don't know how many of you have read this. And I still remember that whole theory of constraint, which any mechanical engineer should know, is still embedded into my mind when I read that book long back. But one, I think, important area of learning is, and I don't prefer maybe a book and all, don't be a technologist. You need to understand how business work. And that capability is something everybody should have. And there are n number of books available to do that. Normally, engineers normally get into more technology domain than understanding businesses, that how businesses run. That capability everybody should have. Understanding finance, understanding money is very important to work on.
Next question. Data or intuition, sir?
Absolute data. And with AI coming in, that is becoming even more critical.
A habit you've never compromised on?
Continuously learning. And I still, at this age, I spend almost 2 hours every day in learning. And that's in my calendar that I have to learn.
The app you use the most, sir?
LinkedIn.
Once you've led both technology and human resources, which is harder, sir? Changing systems or changing mindset?
Changing mindset.
The best investment you've ever made?
I think I invested a lot on to reading, and my book, my library has more than 700 books now. And I make sure that I finish book in 15 days actually. So that's something which is keep happening. And I don't like reading short books. I read physical books actually. Even my almirah is getting out of space now.
The biggest technological disruption in the next 15 years?
I think AI and beyond AI will disrupt everything. And only one example I can give is, earlier technology generation used to come after 5 years, so 10 years can be. Today, AI become next generation every year. That's the pace which is changing and all, and we are not still realizing. I think it's a very disruptive change is going to happen.
And then one skill that is underappreciated?
There are multiple them, but I think one skill which is very important, I personally feel is, which people underestimate, and I use that in the morning today in my speech, was how do you brand yourself? How do you present yourself? I see a lot of people not focusing on that. I think your ability to present yourself to the world is a big skill which people doesn't understand, and build on that thing.
So going to the final question. If all the titles, promotions and accomplishments are stripped away, what would make you look back and say, yes, this was a life well lived?
I think making difference to the organization. Maruti is still one of the best run company, efficient running, lowest cost manufacturer in the world, because I could contribute to help that company to be more agile, lean and very efficient. I think that's the bringing position I personally feel.